Is it just me, or is it insane that it's almost Valentine's Day? If you've been around here any length of time, you know I love to celebrate the holidays. I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day. I've got my shirt from Torrid, which is sold out, or I'd link to you. Some super cute earrings from the Sandy Pearls, who's an online vendor I buy from. But today's video is all about the nails. I don't know about you, but it's probably been since March of 2020 that I went to the nail salon and got a good manicure. I've been doing them at home. I'm in need of one right now, which is what y'all are here for. During the pandemic, I found this awesome company called Dashing Diva. And I love that they have all kinds of holiday designs. I love that they're easy to put on. I love that I can put them on. But what I love most of all is that they do last 7 to 10 days. And I am someone who can go through some nails and break some stuff. These do last, and I'm going to show you how to make them last. So let's do this manicure. So the Dashing Diva kit comes with everything that you'll need to do your manicure. It's really a one-stop shop. Prior to starting this video, I did step 1, which is to cut your cuticles, clean your fingernails, clip, and get them down to what you want. I always like to keep my nails super short. So inside the pack, you're gonna find the directions, step by step, a nail file. I actually like to keep these after I do my nails. You never know when you might need to file your nails and be caught without one. They come with a prep pad, and this is my first kit with this prep pad. Most of the other times I've had to use rubbing alcohol on my nails, so I'm excited to see how this will do. And then you have your sizes and colors of nails that will kind of pick to fit my nails as we go along. Okay, we're gonna jump right into step 2, because I did step 1 already, and we're just gonna prep each nail with the prep pad. And what this is gonna do is ensure that all the oils are gone from our nails and make sure that our strips will stick. I have done these nails before where I've not done this or I've not used the rubbing alcohol, and you don't get the longevity that you do if you use it. So you definitely want to use it. Don't skip out on it at all. Your next step is you're going to want to take your colors. You can start anywhere you want and start matching them to your nails. I tend to start with my smallest nails first, and that's because it just makes it a little bit easier for me to match up. You want to make sure that you push it completely down and that you push it over. So I always like to push it over. I'm not sure if that's, you know, the official Dashing Diva way, but it's the Amanda Diva way. Then you take your nail file and you file it down and pull it away, and then file down some more until you have your first nail. I've gone ahead and finished my pinkies and thumbs off camera. And now we're gonna get to the fun part. So my kit actually has these black ones with jewels that I want to use, these loves, and then maybe a few of these polka dots. Because I have such short nails, I am actually able to use these kits 2 and 3 times. I love it. Every time I talk about my love for Dashing Diva, someone brings up, oh, well, you should try out X, Y, and Z brand. My friend sells it, and it's really great. So I've tried out that brand that your friend sells, or that my friend sells, and it doesn't work as well as these. Shh. These are legitimately the best. I'm having some trouble getting this one to fit. The best gel nails that I've had. And actually, unfortunately, let me show you this. My nail is super short, and the love is not gonna fit for me. It's a love and a little gem. So we're gonna have to skip that pretty one, and we'll just move to the polka dots and put them on. As soon as this set came out, I just loved that it was black, white, and red. I do love Valentine's Day and pinks and all things girly, but I thought that this black and red was kind of a muted way to celebrate the holidays. I say this as I'm putting a metallic red heart on my finger. But I also wear a lot of black. And I like it. All right, so there you go. I've got that cute one on. And then I'm going to do the matching one on this finger here. I don't typically make sure that I match. I really just kind of go with the flow of things. But I think today I will. You know, while I love to have short nails, back in the pre-March 2020 days, I did go to the nail salon every 6 to 8 weeks and get a nice gel set put in. Because I like short nails, but I like my nails to look decent. I think I'm going to move to using these black with the jewels. So you see I have 2 fingers on each hand left to do. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put them on my middle fingers, just to give a little pizzazz. Oh, unfortunately, this gem's a tight fit for my short nail, but it looks like it's gonna go. It's always a win. And as you can see, I'm moving really fast, and I mean, they're dry already. I have a 5-month-old at home, and I was never, ever good at getting my nails to dry before I moved them. And I'm sure that now I would be worse. Although, you know, I always believe children have 2 parents. So if I wanted to do my nails, my husband could take care of it for a few minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead. That one doesn't fit as well as I would like. So I'm gonna get the other one, the same size from the other packet. And just make sure that it fits. And it does. So yeah, so you know, you're dry right away. So I can pick that infant up if I needed to and feed her or stop halfway through. I do have a at-home gel kit that I love as well, and I hope to keep perfecting doing my own nails with it so I can show you that. But I started with these, and it looks like I'm ending the pandemic with these, you know? If it works, it works. And there you have it, Festive Manicure dried and done in under 5 minutes. I couldn't be happier with it. I'm hoping they come out with St. Patrick's Day and Easter patterns. I truly, truly wish that I had a discount code to share with you, and I've reached out to them and asked them for it. But trust me, if you're looking for a quick, easy nail set that you can do yourself and look great, you want to try out Dashing Diva. $7-ish a set, free shipping over 15. Get yourself 2 manicures and you got free shipping. What else can you beat? I'll see you around.